Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Facebook feed grid widget brought to you by Elementor add-on for Elementor. Let's drag and drop the widget inside the editor page to start. You'll see the default interface provided by the widget. This is a grid setup containing the Facebook feeds with posts, author info, like, comment counters, read more button, and share button. From the option, you can switch between global and custom APIs for maximum flexibility. While global API is loaded from the WordPress dashboard settings, the custom option requires you to input the page ID and access token. Here you can enable the cache feeds switcher to save the feed info into the cache. You can choose cache refresh frequency from the reload cache option. Next, the additional section holds a number of switchers. The first one lets you change the grid perspective between normal and masonry. The number of columns can be changed from 1 to 6. Then comes the row gap and column gap scroll bars that let you adjust the gaps between item rows and columns. Keep in mind that increasing the gaps will eventually increase the white space around the items. Additionally, there are two layout styles available for the Facebook feed grid. The second one simply retracts the item images inside the content part. The switchers below can show or hide specific elements from the grid such as text, feature image, author image, name, date, etc. Below, you may change the read more button text through the text field. Also, you can choose what will happen when your visitors click on the read more button. The post could open inside the same window or a new window. And at the end of the option, you can limit the number of posts displayed on the grid. Now, we may switch to the Style tab to apply lots of customizations to change the whole appearance of the grid. Let's start with the first section. Here you can customize the content part background color for all items at the same time. By adding values in the border radius fields, you can curve the edges of the items from sharp to round. The more value you put, the rounder the corners get. Notice, you can add image as the background of the grid if you want. Next, in the author section, you will find options to customize the author part. To start, let's change the author's name color, then the text typography for the names. A step below, you can customize the size of the author image with a scroll bar. You may add padding to increase the area around the image, making it shrink eventually. Editing the border radius value to make the already round author image a bit square in shape. Then you may add a solid border around the author's image with a thin border width. Also, you can put a different color for the border and highlight it. Now scroll down a bit and let's change the image background for authors. A white shade looks good enough. We can also change the border color and width again to match them with the author's title color. Notice you can customize color settings for hover too. Next, we can switch to the date section. Let's change the date text color and then the typography. Here you can change the font family, font size, letter weight, and other settings. For text, we may apply the same color tone for the texts and then go for the font customization. Alright, now head for the next section. In the featured image section, you'll find a bunch of options to customize the appearance of the feed images. For now, a matching border radius does the job. After that, let's move to the read more section, and here you can customize the color of the read more button. The button is typically text with links, so you can go for typography customizations too. For the hover settings, just changing the text color to a deep shade works fine. Then switch to the like comments section. You'll find a separate set of options for the like and comments counters. So first, let's change the text color for the like counter. The background color can be a matching purple color. Let's put the same border radius value here as author. Then put values in the padding field to expand the area around the counter. Also adjust the spacing between the two counters. The same customizations goes for the comments counter. White for the text, purple for the background, and same border radius and padding values. For padding, you can unlink the fields and customize them separately to create a rectangular shape. Then decrease the icon size and match it with the like counter. For hover, let's go with white for the text and a deeper shade of purple for the background. In the next section called Share, you can change the text color, or you may say icon color, for the share button. Then go for the background color, apply the same purple but reduce the color opacity for better focus. For hover, we can go with the white text color and deep purple background color. For the record, the share button has drop-down menu. And switching to the drop-down section, you can customize it. First, the background color. Let's make it white. Then add 10 points in border radius and 20 points in the padding field. Go ahead and add a box shadow to the drop-down. Just configure it as you like to have the perfect matchup. You may change the title color and typography for the drop-down. Also, you may change the hover text color for the list part along with typography. That's it. Now fold the control bar and take a good look at the finished layout. It's easy to create such a stunning post grid for Facebook feeds using Element Pack. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.